Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you a gym bag and a wrist supporter that you might need if you love to work out at the gym. So let's unbox the gym bag first. I ordered this bag from the Amazon, as you can see. So it's a UCB bag. Now let me remove the plastic cover and check on the bag. Bag is actually quite good and color is also a bit nice. So let's open the bag and check space. So the space is enough to carry a few things. This is the closer look of the bag. As you can see, stitches are good. So overall build quality is up to the mark. .360-degree view of the bag, so you can see from the each and every side. It's a medium sized bag with one front pocket. I will put all the items in a bag and let's see what happens. Let me open the bag first. First I put the shoes, then put a jacket, then a towel and the socks, then finally a water bottle. So now close the bag. Now unbox the second item, that is wrist supporter. Same as the bag, I ordered this from the Amazon. It comes with a pair that is for two hands. Let's check the item. Now let me open the supporter. Oh, it's a velcro thing. Quite long and good in thickness and material as well. Now let's do the same for the other one. So you can see color and design is also a bit good. So now I put the supporter on my hand and check that it's okay or not. Elastic and material are quite good. Also has thumb loop. It's actually easy to wear. When you lift heavy weights, you can wear this. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.